Hey guys, in our last video we talked about being at a house and we got all the contents out of there, so I just kind of wanted to share some of our process of what we're doing now. This here's Nick. He's one of our project managers. He kind of handles all the contents and he's going to kind of explain the process once we get it back into the warehouse. So Nick, go ahead.
All right, wonderful. So once we bring and have everything packed back from a customer's location, we'll bring it here. We will load it onto pallets. This is our staging area here. We'll get it in line in one of these racks or overhead area for storing to be next in line on cleaning time. And then once we're able to bring those out of that staging area, we take it to the cleaning room. In the cleaning room, we'll walk that way and we'll go to the cleaning room. So again, we'll stage it here, we'll put it on pallets, make sure everything's all nice and wrapped in line for that storing of the cleaning room.
In business since 1969, everybody.
We usually locate pallets here so we can line it up, getting ready so we can go into our clean room with the hard content items. We'll let you walk in over here. This is actually our exporter room now. This is where we clean all of our soft contents / textiles. We also have this as a combo room with our ultrasonic and our drying systems and our wash systems. What we do in here is we'll wash, dry, fold, and sort. We do have the exporter system here to wash for our textiles and our soft goods.
Let's take a look at that.
It's washing now. It can hold up to 100 pounds of clothing items per cycle. It usually takes about an hour to wash all that. We do not use any type of bleach. We use a hydrogen peroxide type of scrubber. So it's really safe. We always use cold water so nothing shrinks. And then with our hard contents processing, what we'll do is once it's staged and it's in line, we'll actually take all those pallets and boxes one by one. We'll bring it in here. We'll take it into this room over here. You'll see that this is set up for efficiency, for flowing. Our team members can sit at each disc, open a box up. You'll see that there's some cards and contents in there. We'll take a box. We'll make sure we're gloved up. We'll open these customers' box. You'll see that it's nicely secured wrap. Even if we're on site and it's a fire, we want to make sure that we're packing these out. We do quality assurance tests. I come in here and just start opening boxes and making sure everything's packed out the way it's supposed to be. So these are some electronics and headphones. We'll give them a good wipe down and then we'll take them back to be ozoned before we actually put them into this stage and rebox them back for customers.
Nick, you talked about ultrasonic. Can you just kind of walk us through the process on the ultrasonic?
Yes, absolutely. So when we open the boxes to clean the items, there may be some items that we need to, we feel like need to penetrate even deeper into cracks and crevices of items. So we'll take them over here to our ultrasonic. We'll make sure we turn them up a little bit and you'll see that it'll start vibrating. You'll hear that noise. You see the vibration in here? What I'll do is I'll do a demonstration really quick. I like doing these, especially with jewelry. Even though we try not to bring home or bring back to the job site or to the workplace any customer's jewelry, if you see this kind of dungy and you know it's got little stuff over here, nice and dirty, right? So I'll get one of these trays. I'll set it on this tray nicely right here. I'll put on my nice handy dandy gloves. This water is very hot. We'll take it. We'll set this bad boy right inside of here. And something like this, we'll probably let it go for about 5 or 10 minutes. So we'll go show you the ozone, and which will be the last steps before we pack something. We'll go show you the ozone now, kind of walk through the warehouse on where we stage items, and we'll come back and we'll look how good this is, okay?
Let's do it.
So we're going to show you where our ozone, after we get everything kind of wiped down and good to go. We've got some portable ozones, and we've made some portable locations before out of plastic. We've sealed off the rooms really well. But these are the rooms that are set up to ozone large hard content items. We can even do soft content if we need to with hanging them in there. So follow me this way.
Drying equipment ready to go for you guys.
Yeah. You see how we've staged all these customers' items under steel. We're actually eventually getting rid of these racks and going to be doing some different outline, some layouts. But right now, this is the efficient way that we have it set up right now.
Everything is wrapped to protect the contents and barcoded.
This is where the main deodorization happens through our ozoning. It actually takes molecules, oxygen molecules out of the air, eliminating and deodorizing the hard content items. We have this room, and then we have one more room. And then I'll show you the machine that does all the magic. This is another room that we have, set up a little differently so we can house a little bit larger items, a little larger hard content items. Again, all the deodorization through the ozoning process happens here. And this is our magical, wonderful machine over here.
All right.
And then once we're done ozoning, we'll go back to the staging area. We will wrap plastic around, or we're actually moving blankets and plastic around them, and we'll make sure we get all that staged up, ready to go, so whenever pack back is scheduled, we can take nice, clean, deodorized contents back to the customer as if pre-loss condition, they never lost. They never had a loss.
Let's go check out that bracelet.
Let's go check out that bracelet. Did you pause it? All right. Let's go see how my bracelet's doing. Come over here. It's been about 3 to 5 minutes. Usually we like to sit in there a little longer. The longer it sits in there, a little bit more of the vibrating, and it'll penetrate those cracks and crevices that we need it to be able to do a better product for our customers. Go ahead and turn these down. Turn them all off. Come over here and we'll pull this bad boy out. You can already see it's starting to really shine right here.
Oh yeah.
So I like to get it.
So if you want your rings clean, you're the guy to call.
Man, one of them, yep. All right. Take a nice little brush here. Take a little brush on the sides over here. And all that nastiness that's already kind of do a little scrub. You can kind of see where we're at on this. See how clean it got all in that cracks and crevices, all that nasty sweat. And
much better.
yeah, whatever got up in there, and then you can see how nice these are shining up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I like to do that with my jewelry every once in a while. Again, we may use this for all types of things: fan, box plans, plastics. I've put all kinds of good things that we need to penetrate a crack or a crevice, and to get a little bit cleaner for our customers. We put those in here. So,
awesome.
And then from here, we have the same basket. We'll transfer, we'll rinse off. We'll rinse the item off all the way and get all that. Give it a kind of once over, make sure everything's looking good for us. Making sure all the cracks and crevices on this deal is looking good.
It's brand new.
It's brand new, doesn't it? And then if we need to, we can put it in that dryer right there.
Yeah, this is a tunnel dryer. Increases the drying time.
And then it comes out the back here, slide it out.
Very cool.
We're able to process it and fold it up and get it all nice, neat, ready for transfer back to the customer.
Well, Nick, thank you very much. Thanks for giving us a tour of the place here. And if you guys call us on a job, it's probably going to be Nick that's going to be coming out. So
holler at me.
Look for that pretty face.